Before we start, maximize the top viewport. Let us create a new layer and we're going to call it picture. Let me select that layer and open up the surface creation. Left click and we're going to import this drawing. Open. Notice the Rhino needs to know where you're going to place it. I'm going to place it at 0. Enter. And how big do you want to stretch the picture? Let's set it over here. Once I have that, notice that this picture is right here. I can go back to the default. We can turn it on and off from here. You can lock the layer so you do not select it and move it and rotate it. And also, very carefully, we can select, go to Properties, select Material, and over here, we can set the transparency maybe to 75%. Go back over here, lock that layer, and now you could start tracing. For example, let me go to this layer, select the circle, turn off the grid and snap, and we could start drawing. Maybe this one from the center, we could start drawing some geometry, right? So this is one way of using the picture plane.